it's not just one person. I mean, it's obviously it is you, but it's not just you. It's like the Angular team comes in to your meetings, that it's not just like one person saying this is the way, but it's like more people joining together and figuring out the best way.
Is there anything useful that you've learned specifically from this group or from training with me over the years that you think would be helpful for other people that you can share?
Um, I think how to structure my code was probably the most important thing. And some of the things I could have figured out in a different way, but I wouldn't have felt confident about it. So the fact that I actually now know, okay, this is the way, I really like when I can say this is the way, and I know this is the way. That's probably one of the things I like about Angular as well. It is opinionated. So it's not, I don't have to figure everything out, but I can find a way that actually is the way. And this is what I really feel I found the confidence with, from architecture training, and just also from the community with the questions being asked and the questions I can ask.
What is
So
it about this group or this training that makes you feel more confident, like you have the right answers versus what you were doing before?
I think it's not just one person. I mean, it's obviously it is you, but it's not just you. It's like the Angular team comes in to your meetings, and you are also not afraid to develop your thinking. So if something was said, this is the way, that might change over time, and you're not afraid to say, hey, we just learned this, and this has changed, like the signals thing, right?
Yeah,
So
I'm a teacher, but I'm also one of the students, and I
yes,
learn new
exactly.
things all the time, and that's
Yeah.
allowed.
Yep. So that it's not just like one person saying this is the way, but it's like more people joining together and figuring out the best way.